Hi, hello, good evening, dear children. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Dear children, today we will begin with the next chapter, that is new chapter, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay, this is also very important chapter and it is a new chapter. Okay, nimge ee chapter full new chapter idu. Introduction to Trigonometry. Yes, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Shall we start the class? Yes, good evening. Good evening, all of you. Okay. Introduction to trigonometry. So, trigonometry means what? We have already studied about the triangles. What do you mean by triangles? And types of triangles, right? Acute angle, right angle, next, obtuse angle, right? So, acute angle less than 90 degree. Howdu alva? Less than 90 degree. So right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree and obtuse angle means one angle is more than 90 degree, right? So trigonometry. Trigonometry means trigonometry. It is ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ trigonometry ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So trigonometry, trigonometry. Here trigonometry. Tri means 3, right? 3 sides. Metry means measurement. That is measurement. Measurement. So, measurement of 3 sides. Measurement of 3 sides. That we call it as a trigonometry. Okay. It is the branch of the mathematics, or you can say it is a popular branch of the mathematics which deals with the study of or measurement of 3 sides and angles of the triangle. So, in trigonometry, we are considering right angle triangle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸುತ್ತತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ, ಆಪ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, that is trigonometry means measurement of 3 sides. Okay, it is the branch of the mathematics which is used to measure the measurement of 3 sides. Okay, next, right angle triangle anta nan helide. So right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree. So here right angle triangle, right? Here I will call it as A, B and C. At point B, it makes an 90 degree, right? At point B, it makes an angle 90 degree. So, ಇದು 90 degree ಆದರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತಹ angles. So, consider this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಉಳಿದ ಎರಡು angles ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? 45 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, or it may be anything, but it should be less than 90 degree. ಅಲ್ವಾ? 90 degree ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. Next. So this one we call it as a BC. BC ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Base ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So BC is called as base and this one is called as perpendicular. AB is called as perpendicular or height. ಇದನ್ನ height ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, or it is also called as perpendicular. Next, AC is called as hypotenuse. Why hypotenuse? The side which is opposite to the 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree. The side which is opposite to the 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. Okay. Adanna hypotenuse anta heltivi. Base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. So, ee names namge gottirabe. This is base, this is hypotenuse and this is perpendicular. Next one. To know the trigonometric ratio, we have to consider right angle triangle. Nodana next to trigonometric ratios andre enu anta. See, ಹಿಯರ್ 2 triangles are there. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? 2 triangles ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದು? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಅಗೇನ್ at point B it is 90 degree, right? At point A it makes one angle. ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. At point A it makes an angle. Here I will call this angle as theta. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಥೀಟಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೀಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕ್ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ ಹೆಸರು, ಆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 40 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬಹುದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಇದನ್ನ ಗ್ರೀಕ್ ಲೆಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೀಕ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಅವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಥೀಟಾ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಂದ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕ್ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಂಗಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಇದನ್ನ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ? ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲೋನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಜಿಪ್ಟಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹೆಸರು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೇ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಥೀಟಾ, ಸೈನ್, ಕೋಸೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೇ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬೇಸ್, ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅದೇ ಬೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೊ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಥೀಟಾ, ಥೀಟಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದರ ಒಂದು ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಥೀಟಾ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ new words for you, right? Adjacent side, opposite side, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Opposite side means ನೋಡೋಣ. See, in this triangle, observe carefully. Okay, in this triangle at point B 90 degree is there. The side which is opposite to the 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. Yes, one point clear ಆಯ್ತು. AC is the hypotenuse. ಯಾಕೆ? ಅದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, see here it is a right angle triangle ABC. At point P it is 90 degree. So this one is the hypotenuse, right? And here we are considering theta is here. So theta position ellide? At point A ide. Next is the side which is opposite to the theta. Okay, theta is here and the side which is opposite to the theta is BC. Theta ge opposite ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ side ಯಾವುದು? BC. So I will call this side as opposite side. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ? Opposite side ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. Okay, so BC is the opposite depending upon the position of the theta I am telling. Okay, now our theta is here, so opposite of the theta is BC here, right? So this one is the opposite side. Next, 90 degree matte theta. Okay, now consider where is 90 degree? 90 degree is here, theta is here. So 90 degree matte theta ellide? This line we call it as a adjacent side. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Adjacent side. Remember, okay, 90 degree and theta, this is adjacent side. In second diagram, in second triangle, observe carefully, dear children. Here our 90 degree is at point B only. No doubt it is at B only. But our theta is, theta vanna naviga illi ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, now our theta is at point C. At point C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ which one is opposite side, which one is adjacent side, and which is hypotenuse? That is very very important. ಇದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು which one is opposite side and which one is adjacent side, right? See, the side which is opposite to the 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. So AC is hypotenuse. Okay, one thing clear ಆಯ್ತು. Next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Opposite side, the side which is opposite to the theta. Now theta is here. The side opposite to the theta is AB. That means AB is opposite side and 90 degree and theta. Where 90 degree and theta lies, that line we call it as a adjacent side. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಅವರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ is at point A. In this triangle, theta position is at point C. So depending upon the theta, opposite side is here. Here opposite side is at line AB, at side AB. Okay. Next, which one is adjacent side? 90 degree ಮತ್ತೆ theta ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That line we call it as a adjacent side. So here AB is adjacent side and here BC is adjacent side. Is that clear? Okay. Theta means it is the symbolic representation of the angle. Okay. Next one. Very, very important. Trigonometric ratios. ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇರೋದು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. Trigonometric ratios. Ratios means what? Yes, dear children. Ratios means what? Ratio ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ? Have you remembered ratio ಅಂತ ನಾವು 8th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, 9th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. When you are using ratios, by comparing two quantities ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, two things ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, right? So we one is tall, one is short, right? So two things ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, that time you are using ratios, right? So ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಿ ratios ಅನ್ನ? A is to B, ಅದನ್ನ A divided by B ಅಂತ ನಾವು symbolically ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, right? This is the representation of ratios. A divided by B, X divided by Y. Ratios means comparing two things, comparing two quantities, right? Like that, here trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios means what? Here we are comparing the sides. Ratios means comparison. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ? Sides ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. So to know the trigonometric ratios, we have to consider right angle triangle. Yes, already we know. Now, this is a right angle triangle. First one, trigonometric ratios ಅಲ್ಲಿ first one ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು sin A ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Or you can take, it is a theta. If it is theta, I will call it as sin theta. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು sin theta ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Or at point A, our angle theta is there. So it here sin A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Both are correct. Sin A, at point A angle is there. That means sin A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Or you can take sin theta. Sin theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ no confusion. ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಇದೆ. So here it is theta. Sin theta. First ratio ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು sin theta ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. Sin theta, SINE. SINE sin theta. ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋಗೆ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಚ್ sides we are going to compare? Which sides we are going to compare? See, sin theta, ಅದನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು sin SIN theta ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. Actually it is SINE, sin theta, but ಇದನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ sin theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So sin theta means what? Here we are comparing two sides, that is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. 10 ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ, opposite side divided by hypotenuse. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That we call it as a sin theta. Remember. Okay. So in first triangle, which one is opposite side and which one is hypotenuse? So theta is here. That means BC is opposite side. Opposite to the theta. Theta ಗೆ opposite ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ side ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲಿ? BC. So BC divided by hypotenuse is AC, right? BC divided by AC. So we are comparing opposite side and hypotenuse. So this is called as sin theta, ratio sin theta. Okay. Next one, cos A. Cos A means what? Cosine A. ಇದನ್ನ actually cosine A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು cos A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Cosine A. A means ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ cosine theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. If you want, you can take it as theta. Okay. Cosine theta. Cosine ಥೀಟಾವನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಈಸಿ, ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Remember, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. This ratio we call it as a cos theta. Here adjacent side is AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Next, triangle 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? See, sin theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse. In the first triangle, it is BC divided by AC. So in the second triangle, opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. The side which is opposite to the theta is opposite side, and theta and 90 degree, that is adjacent side, and opposite of the 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. Hagidre, opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC, right? Next, cos theta, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. In the first triangle, it is AB divided by AC. In the second triangle, adjacent side is at BC divided by AB. Sorry, it is AC actually, not AB, AC. Okay, next one. Tan A, or you can take tan theta. Tan theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ actually it is tangent theta. ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಥೀಟಾವನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕೇಸಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್. ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್? BC divided by AB. Okay, opposite divided by adjacent, that is BC divided by AB. Opposite divided by adjacent anta bandre tan theta. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse bandre cos theta. Opposite divided by hypotenuse bandre sin theta. Remember, in second triangle, which one is AB divided by adjacent side is BC. ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂಥರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ? tan theta means, I told you tan theta means it is tangent theta. Okay, tangent thetaವನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ tan theta ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. tan theta ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, tan thetaವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Tan theta is equal to, remember, sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, sin theta divided by cos theta. See, opposite divided by hypotenuse, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse and hypotenuse will get cancelled. What you will get? Opposite divided by adjacent. That is tan theta. Okay. Tan theta means sin theta divided by cos theta. AC and AC will get cancelled. BC divided by AB will get. Here also AC and AC will get cancelled. AB divided by BC ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, cosec theta. Next one is cosec. Cosec means cosecant theta. ಅದನ್ನ cosecant theta ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ cosec theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. What is cosec theta? Here you will get ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಸಿ, ಕೋಸೆಕ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosecant thetaವನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ cosec theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 1 divided by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. See here, what is sin theta? Sin theta is opposite divided by adjacent, opposite divided by hypotenuse, right? Ulta ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ hypotenuse divided by opposite. So this one is the cosec theta, reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta ವನ್ನು exactly ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what you will get? Cosec theta. See here, hypotenuse divided by opposite. Which one is hypotenuse? AC divided by BC. ನೋಡಿ, exactly ಉಲ್ಟಾ, AC divided by BC. Here also ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ AC divided by AB ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. Next one, secant theta. Cosecant theta, secant theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is called as sec theta. Remember, 1 divided by cos theta is equal to, ಈ sec theta ವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? 1 divided by cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta. Exactly cos theta ವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ hypotenuse divided by adjacent is equal to cos theta. Okay, hypotenuse divided by adjacent is equal to cos theta, right? AC divided by AB, AC divided by AB. Here AC divided by BC. Cot theta, cotangent theta. Tangent theta is tan theta. Cotangent theta is cot theta. Okay. So tan theta vanna ulta madi. Adjacent divided by opposite. Right? Adjacent divided by opposite. AB, BC divided by AB, AB divided by BC. Here also BC divided by AB. Or, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ what you will write? Cot theta means what is tan theta? Opposite divided by adjacent. So ulta ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ adjacent divided by opposite. So here adjacent side is AB, opposite side is BC. Right? ಇದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. Trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios are there. First one is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. ಇದನ್ನ SINE ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is cosecant theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cotangent theta. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅದ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲದರ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, next one. Inverse of trigonometric values. Inverse means reciprocal. Ulta mod. 1 divided by sine is called cosec A. 1 divided by cos A is sec A. 1 divided by tan A is cot A. 1 divided by cosec A is 1 divided by sine A is cosec A. 1 divided by cosec A is sine A. Right? Like that, 1 divided by sec A means cos A, it is not secant, cos A. 1 divided by cot A is tan A. Right? ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Inverse of trigonometric values. Next one. So, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. See, tan A is equal to 4/3. ನಾನು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. Tan A is equal to 4/3. Find other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. Why we have taken tan A? Because our angle is at A. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So it is at A. So our theta is at A. Therefore it is tan A. Tan A ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, tan theta ಅಂತಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. Both are same. Find other trigonometric ratios. See, dear children, what they have given, tan theta value they have given, and we need to find out other trigonometric ratios. That means all 6 trigonometric ratios anna now baribeku. 1 trigonometric ratios they have given, so we need to find out 5 trigonometric ratios. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. So now first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Right angle triangle ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Call this as A, B, C. At point B, 90 degrees is there. Our theta is at point A. Because this is tan A. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಥೀಟಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ theta ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Tan A. At point A, our theta is there. So where theta lies? At point A. Next, so depending upon the position of the theta, we can write which one is opposite side, which is this adjacent side, and which one is hypotenuse. Opposite of 90 degree is hypotenuse. Opposite of theta is opposite side, right? AB, 90 degree and theta. This one is adjacent side. Adjacent side. Now, what they have given? Tan A. Tan A means what? Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Tan theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, it is the ratio of opposite side divided by adjacent side. So which one is opposite side? BC is opposite side, adjacent side is AB. So 4 by 3 means 4 is opposite side, 3 is adjacent side. Have you understood? 4 is opposite side and 3 is adjacent side. So ಈ values ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ opposite side ಇದೆ? At point BC. BC is opposite side, that is 4, and adjacent side is AB, that is 3. But what we need to find out is, we need to write other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios andre sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta vanna baribeku. But for sin theta, what we want opposite side divided by hypotenuse we want. Right? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. But here we know the value of opposite and adjacent side only. We don't know hypotenuse. So first we need to find out the value of hypotenuse. Hege find out ಮಾಡೋದು? Since it is a right angle triangle and we know the value of two sides, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem, right? So Pythagoras theorem ಅನ್ನ apply ಮಾಡೋಣ. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to squares of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, angle ABC is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, we don't know. AB square is 4 square plus BC square. BC value is 3 square. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9, it is 25. So AC square is equal to 25. So what is the value of AC? AC is equal to square root of 25. So square root of 25 is 5, right? Then hypotenuse AC value is 5. ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? AC value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಇವಾಗ? 5. Next. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? AB, BC and AC. So directly we can find out all trigonometric ratios. Sin A. Sin A means opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Which one is opposite side? BC is opposite side divided by AC. So BC divided by AC is equal to, BC value is 4 divided by 5. This is sin A, sin theta. Okay, sin A value is 4 by 5. Next trigonometric ratio is cos A. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ cos A means what? Adjacent divided by hypo, right? Adjacent divided by hypo. So which one is adjacent side? AB is adjacent side and AC is hypotenuse. So AB divided by AC. AB value is 3, AC value is 5, right? So this is other trigonometric ratio. Tan A is 4 by 3, already they have given. Cosec A. Cosec A means reciprocal of sin A. Sin A is 4 by 5, then cosec A is 5 by 4. In other words, it is hypo divided by opposite, right? Hypotenuse is AC, divided by opposite side is BC. AC value is 5, BC value is 4. Sec A. Sec A means reciprocal of cos A. Exactly ulta. AC divided by AB. 5 divided by 3. AC value is 5 and AB value is 3. Right? Cot A. Cotangent A. Cot A is adjacent divided by opposite. What is tan A? Tan A is opposite divided by adjacent. Cot A is adjacent divided by opposite. 3 by 4. Idu 4 by 3 adre, idu 3 by 4. This question can be asked for 2 marks. Okay. Now, next. Consider triangle ACB, right angle at point C, in which AB is equal to 29 units, BC is equal to 21 units, and angle ABC is theta. That means at point B, it makes an angle theta. See here, illen kottidare namge angle ABC is equal to theta means at point B, it makes an angle makes an angle theta, right? Determine the values of C. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. In kottidare, AB value they have given 29 units. BC value they have given that is 21 unit. And at point B, it makes an angle theta. That means right angle is at point C. Here it is 90 degree. So first ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ sides ಅನ್ನ correct ಆಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Which is opposite side? AC is opposite side because it is opposite to the theta. Hypotenuse is AB. Next, this one is adjacent side. Right? ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್, since it is a right angle triangle, here also we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem means AB square is equal to, hypotenuse square is equal to AC square plus BC square, right? AC square. We want AC. For that, we'll transfer this BC to this side. AB square minus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square. AC square is equal to AB square minus BC square. Then what is AC? AC is equal to square root of AB square minus BC square. Alva, AB value is 29 square minus BC value is 21 square. Right? So 29 square is 841. See here, 841 minus 21 square is 441. 841 minus 441 is 400. Square root of 400 is 20. Right? 20 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದು? This is the value of opposite side. Yes or no? ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? In order to find out the value of AC. AC ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ AC ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ we used ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೀಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? First, what they have asked, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta means, what is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Yes, dear children, here adjacent side is BC divided by hypotenuse is AB. BC is 21 divided by AB value is 29. Right? This is the value of cos theta. But what we want cos square theta, right? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Therefore, 21 divided by 29. 21 square divided by 29 square. Next, sin square theta. Sin theta means what? Sin theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AC. Hypotenuse is AB. AC divided by AB, that is 20 square. 20 divided by AB value is 29. This is the value of sine theta. So here we want sine square. So square madana. 20 square divided by 29 square. 21 square is 441 plus 20 square is 400. Here also it is 29 square, 29 square. That is 841. 441 plus 400. 841 divided by 841 ones. So value is 1. Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. Okay. Next, cos square theta minus sine square theta. Cos theta value is 21 by 29. So square it. 21 square divided by 29 square. Sine square theta. Sine theta is 20 by 29 square. 20 square divided by 29 square. This is also 441 minus 20 square is 400 divided by 841. 441 minus 400. 41 divided by 841. This is 0.048. 0.048. Okay. Understood? Next one. Find tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. In triangle PQR, so ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ tan P minus cot R ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ. So here theta is yes. So theta is at point R. Okay, here Q is 90 degree, theta is at point R. So this is our opposite side and this is our hypotenuse and this is adjacent side. Okay, in triangle PQR, again, we don't know adjacent side here. Opposite ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, hypotenuse ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, adjacent side ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ again use Pythagoras theorem. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ Pythagoras theorem ಅನ್ನೇ use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Why? Because here we are using right angle triangle, right? So PR square is equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, PR square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to PQ square plus QR square. What we want? We want QR square, right? So QR square is equal to PR square. Transfer this PQ to this side, PQ square. So PQ square means PR. PR is 13 square minus PQ square. PQ square is 12 square. 13 square is 169 minus 144. 169 minus 144 is 25. So QR square is 25. So QR is square root of 25. So square root of 25 is 5. That means adjacent side is 5 centimeter or 5 units. 5. So ನಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೂರು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ 5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿ, ಪಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಥೀಟಾ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಆರ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಟ್ ಆರ್. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಪಿ ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆರ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಆರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ tan theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Opposite divided by adjacent. So here theta ಗೆ opposite ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? QR, right? So this is opposite side. For tan P, QR is opposite side and hypotenuse is PR, right? QR divided by, sorry, it is tan theta, right? That means adjacent side we need to take. QR divided by PQ. PQ is adjacent side. P nalli theta iddaga QR is opposite side and PQ is adjacent side. So QR divided by PQ. QR value is 5 and PQ value is 12. Cot R. Cot R ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Cot R means reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta means opposite divided by adjacent. So cot theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ adjacent divided by opposite. Right? Adjacent divided by opposite means adjacent side is QR, opposite side is PQ. See here, cot R ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ theta ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Theta is at point R. Tan P ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ theta is at point P. So depending upon the position of the theta, we need to take which one is opposite side and which one is adjacent side. Okay, now cot R means our theta is at point R. So at point R idre opposite side is PQ, adjacent side is QR. What is QR? Sorry, what is cot theta? Cot theta is adjacent divided by opposite. Adjacent side is QR. QR divided by PQ, right? Cot R is equal to adjacent side, that is QR divided by PQ. QR value is 5, PQ value is 12. Tan P minus cot R. 5 divided by 12 minus 5 divided by 12. Both will get cancelled. You will get 0. Okay. Understood? So wait for a minute. Do you have any doubt? Shall we move to next problem? See, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, ಇದೇ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, then find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Second one, cot square theta we need to find out. Correct ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. What they have given? Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So take one right angle triangle ABC. So at point B, it makes an angle 90 degree. At point C, theta is there. Therefore, this is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. Okay. Howdu alva? Next. So in triangle ABC, at point B, 90 degree and C is theta. According to the question, cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Cot theta means what? Cot theta is equal to adjacent divided by opposite. Reciprocal of tan theta. Adjacent divided by opposite. Adjacent side is BC divided by opposite side is AB. Okay. So 7 by 8 anta kottidare. 7 by 8 means BC is 7, AB is 8. BC is 7, AB is 8. So 7K anta tagondidi. K means any constant, will take K is equal to 1. So it doesn't make any difference. 7 into 1 is 7 only, right? So BC is 7 and AB is 8. Matte, again we'll use Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We want AC only. So AC square is equal to AB value is 8 and BC value is 7. So 64. 8 square is 64. 7 49. AC square is 64 plus 49 is 113, 113. AC square is equal to 113. Then AC is equal to square root of 113. So AC value ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 130. Now, what we want? Sin theta. 1 plus sin theta ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ನಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? First, we need to find out sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse, right? Opposite side is AB. AB divided by AC, right? AB divided by AC. AB value is 8. AC value is 130. Square root of 130. Next. ಮತ್ತೇನಿದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin theta ಇದೆ. Here it is cos theta. So we need to write cos theta also. Cos theta means adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Right? Adjacent side is ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? BC. So BC is adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC. So BC value is 7. AC value is again root 130. First question is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So wait for a minute. Divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta means it is a plus b into a minus b alva. A plus b, it is in the form a plus b into a minus b, that's equal to a square minus b square. A is 1, 1 square minus b is sin theta, right? Sin theta square, right? Sin square theta. 1 square means 1 sin square theta. B is sin theta. So b square is sin square theta. Here also a plus b into a minus b. That is 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus sin theta value is 8 divided by root 113 square divided by 1 plus cos theta. Illi 1 minus cos square theta anta ideyalla. Illi substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1 minus 7 divided by root 113 whole square is equal to 1 minus 8 square is 64. Root 113 square is 113 divided by 1 minus 7 square is 49 divided by 130. So now do cross multiplication. 113 into 1, that is 113 minus 64 divided by 113 divided by, here also same thing, 113 minus 49 divided by 130 is equal to 113 and 113 will get cancelled. 49 divided by 64 will remain. This is the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Next, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ cot square. This is second question. Cot square. So what is cot theta? Dear children, cot theta means adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent side is BC, opposite side is AB, right? BC divided by AB. BC is 7, AB is 8. So cot square theta we want 7 by 8 whole square. 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64. Understood? This is the value of cot square theta. Understood? Next one. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. That means, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ LHS is equal to RHS ಆಗಿದೆನಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Right? Check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 3 cot A is equal to 4. 3 cot A is equal to 4 means at point A, cot A anta ideyalla, at point A theta lies. Here it is 90 degree. That means this is opposite side. This is adjacent side and this one is hypotenuse, right? Cot theta. Cot A is 4. We'll transfer this 3 to this side. Cot A is equal to 4 divided by 3. So cot A means what? Cot A means adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent side is AB. Opposite side is BC. So AB value is 4, BC value is 3. Right? Cot A value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 4 by 3. So cot A means what? AB divided by BC. So AB value is 4. K means any constant term. We'll take K is equal to 1. Right? K 4K, it is 3K. Again, we'll find AC value by using Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, again Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square is 4 square, BC square is 3 square, 16 plus 9, that's equal to 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So AC ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ 5. Now, what we want in the question, tan A is there. So tan A ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು tan A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Tan A, tan means tan theta is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is BC divided by adjacent side is AB. BC is 3 divided by 4. Next. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? Cos A ಇದೆ, sin A ಇದೆ. So sin A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Sin A means opposite divided by hypotenuse, right? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. BC divided by AC, right? So BC value is 3, AC value is 5. Cos A, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos A ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So cos A value ನು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Cos A is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. AB divided by AC, right? AB value is 4, AC value is 5, right? Next, first we'll take LHS part. 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan A value is 3 by 4 whole square. 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square, right? 1 minus 3 square is 9 divided by 4 square is 16. 1 plus 9 divided by 16. Next one. Again, do cross multiplication. 16 minus 9 divided by 16. 16 plus 9 divided by 16. So 16 and 16 will get cancelled. 7 by 25. Okay. So remember, our LHS answer is 7 by 25. Next, RHS nodana. Cos square A minus sin square A. 4 by 5 square minus 3 by 4. Why? Cos A value is 4 by 5. Sin A value is 3 by 4. Sorry, 3 by 5 it is, not 4. 5 square. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. So denominator is same, 25, 16 minus 9, that is 7, 7 by 25. LHS is 7 by 25. RHS is also 7 by 25. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So, ಕೆಲವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಎಸ್, ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಹೇಗಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು? ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೇಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಅದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನ್ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, ಆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಒಳಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು 1 hour. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ವಾರ ನಾನು 1.5 hour ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು 1 hour. ಆ 1 hour ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದಾದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನ್ ಹೇಳಿ 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 ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು? ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು? ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಅದು ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಪಾಪ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಂತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳೋದು? ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಿಡ್. ಕಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೀವೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮ್ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಡವೇ ಬೇಡ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ 1 hour ಪಾಪ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲ್ಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನನ್ ಮಗ ಏನೋ ಓದ್ತಾನೆ, ನನ್ ಮಗಳು ಏನೋ ಓದ್ತಾಳೆ, ಏನೋ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ತರ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬಿಕೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ದ್ರೋಹ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ, ದಿವ್ಸ ದಿವ್ಸ ಎಷ್ಟಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ, ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನನೇ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಬೈಯೋದಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನ್ ಹೇಳೋದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಅದೇ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ರು ಹಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಷ್ಟ, ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೇಗಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆನಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 10, 20, 30 ಈ ತರ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ here we are going to consider 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree, and 90 degree. So these all are called as some standard angles. Specific angles na now standard angles antanu kariತೀವಿ. So ಈ standard angles ಗೆ trigonometric ratios ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? This is also very 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 important. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ you are going to get 3 marks questions, 3 marks and 4 marks questions, remember. So this is also very important. ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. Just for your information I will tell you how it comes. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಬಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಕಲರ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಡೈಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಡೈಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 40 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಸಾರಿ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC, ಹಿಯರ್ at point B 90 degree is there. ಸೊ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕು. So now at angle, this one is 90 degree means at angle A is 45 degree and angle C is 45 degree. Now we are writing the ratios for 45 degree. So ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, one angle 45 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, next angle ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ 45 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So here we'll consider one angle, that is our theta is at point A and theta value is 45 degree. So theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Here theta value is 45 degree. Okay. Now let us take AB is equal to BC is equal to 1. So now ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಏನಂತ. Let us consider AB and BC values is equal to 1. So AB is equal to BC is equal to 1. Again consider Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB value is 1 square plus 1 square. That is 1 square is 1 only. 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. AC square is equal to 2. Then what is the value of AC? Square root of 2. Okay. So AC value is root 2. Next. Sine 45 degree. Ella ratios annu nodana. Sine 45 degree. Sine theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So here it is opposite side and this one is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. Okay. Yes or no? Sine theta. Sine 45. Sine 45 means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. This is sine theta, sine 45 degree, right? Is equal to BC value is 1 and AC value is root 2. So dear children, remember sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Next, cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree means cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. That's equal to adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB value is 1 and AC value is root 2. So cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. Okay. 1 by root 2. Next, tan 45 degree. Tan 45 means opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite side ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Here opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB. BC is 1, 1 divided by 1 is 1. So tan 45 degree is 1. Next, cosec 45 degree. That means reciprocal of sine 45 degree. 1 by root 2 means cosec ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? root 2 by 1. Reciprocal. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. That is root 2. Here also root 2 by 1. Sec 45 degree is root 2. Root 2 by 1 is root 2 only, right? Cot 45 degree is again 1 by 1. That's equal to 1. Understood? This table is for 45 degree. Next, trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. This is very, very important. Okay. 30 degree ಮತ್ತೆ 60 degree ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? See. So now we'll take equilateral triangle. Why? Because it is 60 degree. So since it is a 60 degree means one angle is 60 degree, other two angles are also 60 degree. So all three angles are same means it is equilateral triangle, right? So in equilateral triangle, the angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. That's equal to 60 degree. Now we'll draw AD perpendicular to BC. Okay, one line and a draw madana. This is AD, which is perpendicular to BC. Next, and in an equilateral triangle, the perpendicular from the vertex bisect the base. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು perpendicular ಅನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it bisects. ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಹಾಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. bisects, right? bisect the base. BC ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So BAD is equal to, so this BAD, so this one is 60 degree, BAD is 30 degree and CAD is 30 degree, right? Let AB is equal to, BC is equal to, CA is equal to, AB is equal to, BC is equal to, CA is equal to 2. We'll consider it as 2. Okay. And BD is equal to CD. So full is 2, BC is equal to 2, then BD is 1 and DC is 1. BC full 2 adre, BD and DCD ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 and 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Right. In triangle ABD by Pythagoras theorem. So dear children, here we need to find out the value of AD. AD ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. See here, AD ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So we need to find out AD. How? By using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABD, see here, ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. What we want? We want AD square. So AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Right? AD square minus BD square. AB ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? AB value is 2 square and BD value is 1 square. So 2 square is 4 minus 1, that's equal to 3. So AD square is equal to 3. So what is the value of AD? AD value is root 3. So AD value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತಿದು? root 3. Now, dear children, remember sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ theta is here. That means this is opposite side. Okay. And this one is adjacent side because here it makes an angle 90 degree. 90 degree and theta. Where 90 degree and theta lies, that line is adjacent side. And this is hypo. Right. So sin 60 andre opposite divided by hypotenuse. AD divided by AB. AD value is root 3. AB value is 2. Therefore, this is root 3 by 2. Remember, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Same like that, cos theta. Cos 60 degree is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BD divided by AB. 1 divided by 2. Right? BD divided by AB, right? BD value is 1, AB value is 2. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 means opposite divided by adjacent. That is AD divided by BD. Right? AD is root 3 divided by 1. That's equal to root 3. Cosec 60 degree is ulta, 2 by root 3. Sec 60, 2 by 1, that's equal to 2. Cot 60 degree is root 3 by 1. 1 by root 3. Root 3 by 1, idina ulta madana, 1 by root 3. Remember, this one is very, very important chapter. Next one, sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree ge bandre. See, dear children, our theta is here. Theta ellide, illide. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ opposite ಯಾವುದು? BD. Right? BD and hypotenuse is, this is hypo and this is adjacent side. ಈಗ theta ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. This is adjacent side and this is opposite side. And this is hypotenuse. So sin 30 degree means opposite side divided by hypotenuse. BD divided by AB. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? BD divided by AB. That is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree means adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Our adjacent side is AD and hypotenuse is AB, right? AD value is root 3. AB value is 2. So root 3 by 2. Like that, tan 30 degree, opposite side divided by adjacent side. BD divided by AD, right? BD value is 1 divided by root 3. So this is tan 30 degree. Next, opposite. So 1 by 2, that is equal to 2. This is cosec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. Cot 30 degree is root 3. So this chart is also very, very important. Right? Next one. Trigonometric ratios for 0 degree and 90 degree. So ನಾವೀಗ first 45 ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, 30 degree, 60 degree. Next is for 0 degree and 90 degree. ಇವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. Now angle A closer to 0 degree, the length of BC closer to 0. Length of BC ಏನಿದೆ AC ಗೆ closer to 0. 0 degree means ಇದು ಹೀಗಿದೆ 90 degree. So closer to 0 means AB is equal to AC. So BC ಹೀಗಿದೆ, AB ಹೀಗಿದೆ. So ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಹೀಗಾಗತ್ತೆ. Closer to BC means exactly AB is equal to BC ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So now AB is equal to AC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1. Okay. BC ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ? Closer to AB means BC is equal to 0. BC ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅವಾಗ theta is 0 degree. BC is equal to 0. AB is equal to AC is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದು 1, ಇದು 1. BC ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಹೀಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೈನ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ hypotenuse and adjacent side, right? Opposite divided by hypo, BC divided by AC. BC is equal to 0, AC is equal to 1. That means 0 divided by 1 is 0. Cos 0. Cos 0 means adjacent divided by hypotenuse. AB divided by AC, 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1 only. Tan 0. Tan 0 is opposite divided by adjacent. So 0 divided by 1, that's equal to 0 only, right? Cosec 0. Cosec 0 means hypo divided by opposite. Hypotenuse is 1, opposite side is 0. AC divided by BC, right? So 1 divided by anything divided by 0 is not defined. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ND ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So not defined. Sec 0. Sec 0 means hypotenuse divided by adjacent. AC divided by AB. AC is 1, AB is 1, that's equal to 1. Cot 0 is, again it is 1 by 0, that's equal to not defined. This is for 0 degree. Next we'll find out 90 degree. See, angle A is closer to 90 degree, then length of AB is closer to 0 and almost AB is equal to AC is equal to 1, BC is equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ. 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 1 0 ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ 1 ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ದಿಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, trigonometric ratios for standard angles. Okay, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 degrees 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree 1. Cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2, cos 90 degree that's equal to 0. Again, tan 0 degree is 0. So, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ values ನಿಮಗೆ by head ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, so tan 0 is 0, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree is 1. So 0 by 1, that's equal to 0. 1 by 2, 3 by root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 1 by root 3. What is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta, right? So sin theta 1 by 2, cos theta root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 1 by root 3. Sin theta ಮತ್ತೆ cos theta ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ tan theta easily ಬರಿಬಹುದು, right? 45 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Root 2 will get cancelled. 1. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Root 3. 1 by 0 is not defined. Yes. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು hint ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, see, sin correct ಆಗಿ values ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. ಇದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. sin 90 ಅನ್ನ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Next, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, 45 degree is same, 30 degree ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಹೀಗಿದ್ದದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಸೈನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಸೆಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು? ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕೋಸೆಕ್ is 1 by 0, that is not defined. This is 2 by 1, that is 2. Root 2 by 1, that is root 2. 2 by root 3. Yes, 1 by 1, that is 1. Sec 1 by 1, that is 1. 2 by root 3. Sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. Sec 45 degree root 2 by 1, that is root 2. Sec 60 degree 2 by root 3. and sec 90 degree is 1. Cot 0 degree is 1 by 0, that's equal to not defined. And cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. root 3 by 1, that is root 3. 1 by 1, that is 1. Tan 45 degree is 1 and cot 45 degree is also 1. And cot 60 degree, root 3 by 1 by root 3. Root 3 by 1 and 1 by root 3. This is 1 by 0 ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. 0 by 1, that is 0. Okay, this chart is very, very important. Okay, next. So from this chart, we are going to get all questions, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks. Okay, so first question, sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Yes, dear children, sin 60 degree, what is the value of sin 60 degree? See here, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Yes, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, sin 30 degree, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3, that is 3, 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 1 into 1, 2 into 2, that is 4, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 3 plus 1, 4 by 4, that's equal to 1. 4 ones are 4 ones are, so answer is 1. Next one, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. 2 into tan square 45. Tan 45 value gottidre matra we can solve such type of questions. So for that we need to prepare this chart. We need to make perfect, right? So tan 45 degree andre 1. So 1 square plus cos square 30 degree root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 square is there, so whole square. 1 into 1 square is 2 plus root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 will get cancelled. You will get 2. Easy? Understood? Next. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. sin 30 degree, what is the value of sin 30 degree? 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree 1 minus cosec 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 means 2 by root 3, right? Divided by sec 30 degree. Cot 30 degree means root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Then sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. Plus cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Plus cot 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. Cot 45 degree is also 1. Is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. So, ಏನಾಗತ್ತಿದು 2 into 1. 1 plus 2 minus 2 by root 3. Right? Next ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ 2 into root 3. 2 into root 3 means 1 plus 2 divided by 2. Here root 3 is not there, so we'll multiply by root 3. Here 2 is not there, so we'll multiply by 2. 1 plus root 3 into 1, that is root 3 plus 2 root 3, 2 into 2, 4. So root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3, like that 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 divided by plus 1 by 1. Root 3 into 2 is LCM, so 2 into root 3. That means here 2 is not there, so we'll multiply by 2. Here root 3 is not there, so we'll multiply by root 3. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into root 3 plus into 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. Okay, 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 will get cancelled. Root 3 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 plus 2 root 3. Here nothing is there means 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 into root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Here also 4 plus 3 root 3. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 will get cancelled. 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay. Next, 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3 into. ಈಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 4 plus 3 root 3 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ರೈಟ್? 4 plus 3 root 3 ಇದೆ. So in order to remove this root sign in the denominator, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply by 4 minus. Here it is plus, so other opposite sign anna hakana. 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 root 3. Numerator ಮತ್ತೆ denominator ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಗೆ will multiply by 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 root 3. ಇದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ರೈಟ್? Next, now this is 3 root 3 minus 4 into 4. 3 into 4, that is 12 root 3 minus 4 into 4, 16. Root 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3, that is 3 3s are 9. Plus 4 into 3, 12 root 3, right? Minus into minus plus divided by a plus b, a minus b brackets, right? A plus b into a minus b brackets. A plus b into a minus b bracket square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, right? ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This is in the form a plus b into a minus b. A square is 4 square minus b square is 3 root 3 whole square. So 12 root 3 minus 16 minus 27. How 27? Square root of 9 is 3. So 9 into 3 is 27 plus 12 root 3 divided by 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9 into 9 into 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. So 9 into 3 is 27. So 16 minus 27. Now, minus 16 minus 27. That is minus 43. 12 plus 12 plus 12, that is 24 root 3. 24 root 3 minus 43 divided by 16 minus 27, that is minus 11. 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. So, in ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, in order to remove this minus sign, we'll multiply by minus 1. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Minus into minus, ಇದು plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus into minus, minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus into minus, plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Minus into minus, plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So, first we'll write 43 minus, minus into plus, minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. This is our final answer. Okay. So wait for a minute. So you note down ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next one. Yes. Now we'll see some trigonometric identities. Okay. So dear children, these all are trigonometric identities. Remember, trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities. Okay, not ratios, identities. ನಾಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ a plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square anta baratte. That all are identities, right? So like that, here also we are getting some identities. So important identities ಏನide, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Sin square a plus cos square a ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? We will get 1, remember. So 1, 2, 3, these three are very, very important. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು alteration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get all the identities. First, but main three identities are there. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Remember, 1 plus tan square a is sec square a. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. 1 plus tan square a is sec square a. 1 plus cot square a is cosec square a. So sec square a, if I transfer this tan square a to this side, sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು next problems ಅಲ್ಲಿ use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. So here, if I transfer cot square a to this side, cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Sin square a is equal to, see, if I transfer this cos square a to this side, 1 minus cos square a. This is in the form 1 square minus cos square a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a. ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಬೇಡ, just remember the identities, okay? Cos square a, 1 minus sin square a. So this is also a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. A is 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a. So sin a is root of 1 minus cos square a. Cos a is square root of 1 minus sin square a. So these all are the trigonometric identities. If you want, you can note them. Okay, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ trigonometric identities MCQ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, and they will ask in 1 mark, 2 mark, and will use in the next problems. So ಎಲ್ಲ problems ಕೂಡ from this section we are getting 3 to 4 marks questions. Okay, so dear children, so today what we have discussed about the trigonometry. What do you mean by trigonometry? And it is the branch of the mathematics which is used to measure the three sides of the right angle triangle, right? Used to, here we are considering right angle, but used to measure three sides of the triangle. So trigonometric ratios, how many ratios are there? 6 ratios are there. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta, right? And also we have solved some problems, and we have discussed some trigonometric ratios for standard angles, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, right? So ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆನಾ? So ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. If you have any doubt, then ask me in the next section. Okay, next session I will stop here. Yes, dear children, today no homework. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವುದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನು, right? So ಇದನ್ನೇ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, that is today's homework. Okay, yes dear children, study well, all the very best. Thank you so much. Good night, take care, bye.